Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the exciting world of AI with Elon Musk's latest development, Grok-1. In simple word, this is the company by Elon Musk and he had promised couple of weeks ago that he is going to release the source code and weight of the model. What he has done just we can say recently in this release. I know the installation of this model is difficult, but don't worry. Um, in this video, I will guide you through a quick and easy installation process with just a few commands. The installation is difficult because of its hefty size and GPU requirements. But before we get into that, let's understand what Grok-1 is all about. Basically, Grok-1 is released by the x.ai, and x.ai is a company co-founder by the Elon Musk, and Grok-1 is a massive, as we can see. We are releasing the weight and architecture of our 314 billion parameter and mixture of expert model. Okay, let's understand what does that mean. Well, think of it as a supercharged charged AI system that combine the strength of multiple machine learning model to solve complex problems. The beauty of mixture of experts models lies in their ability to divide a problem into a, we can say, smaller sub problems, and each tackled by the specialized model, like a expert, and these experts are trained on different aspect of data and problem and clever mechanism. And I think the good thing of the expert is dynamically select the most relevant expert for each input. Like when we put when we give any input, then it will select dynamically most relevant expert for giving output to us. uh, in this behavior like this behavior This approach not only boost accuracy of this model but also make the model adaptability to various type of input data, and that where Grok-1 shine, I think, and it will be brilliant. It's designed to handle tasks requiring different kinds of expertise, making it incredibly versatile. And also I want to add some of my opinion. Like, I think pretty good, we should appreciate that this has been released. I think this is just direct in competition with OpenAI, which is not open at all, as we all know about the OpenAI. Unlike some other model, as I mentioned earlier about OpenAI, Grok-1 source code and weights are available for anyone to access and use. So this nature of the Grok-1, this openness foster innovation and collaboration, allowing user to customize and experiment with the model. And what actually Alone is trying to do, he has just made it public so that anyone can use it and then try out it, like we can customize it. And while on the other hand, when we see OpenAI, no doubt OpenAI is a great, but the way they have closed is no one knows what the data set, and no one knows for the model weights and how it has been trained. I believe they should follow this example, and they should also release the weight and data set. Okay, let's see. Like we can see here, we are releasing the base model weight and network architecture of Grok-1. And when we click here, we can see more about the Grok-1, like why we are building the Grok at XAI, we want to create a AI tool that assists humanity by creating an and improving growth. We aim to gather feedback and ensuring our building AI tool that maximally benefits of all humanity and empower research and innovation. These are the basically the aim of the Grok-1, and here is the journey of the Grok-1. Also, we can see the benchmark where they are comparing with the ChatGPT, Palm, Cloudy, and the ChatGPT 4. Here we can see the some accuracy and the comparison, and in the very next release they will improve more as compared to uh, other machine learning models. And also when we go back, we can find the way how we can install it locally and we can run it like here. We to get started with using this model, follow the instruction at this GitHub account. When we click on this GitHub account, then we will redirect on the GitHub repo. Here is the GitHub repo. If you want to install like a locally, then simple click here and you can copy this repo, and after copy this repo you can clone it, and after cloning this repo, simple go and install the requirement and then you can run. Also, if you want to install the weight locally, then you can simply download with this link, and but it's required a high GPU. And if you want to download this weight, then also you will get the checkpoints of all the weights. And also here some model specification, like we early spoke about it, like parameter is 314 billion, and the architecture mixture of 8 expert utilization, 2 expert use per token, 64 layers, attention head, 48 for queries, 8 for keys, embedding size like 6144, tokenization, there is a lot of tokenization. Also, the one more thing is about the lessons. The code and associated Grok-1 weight in this release are lessons under the Apache 2.0. And if you don't want to install it locally, then you can also run it on Hugging Face by follow this step. And when you click on this Hugging Face, then you will redirect on the base model of the uh, we can say uh, here is a base model like a file and the version. When we go there like a checkpoint, and there is a lot of checkpoint and weight here, and these checkpoints and weight have a lot of memory. Like you can see, there is a lot of size, and so that it is difficult to install on locally. When we install on locally, then it required a large memory and the multiple GPU. Hope so you find this video very helpful. Please like and subscribe this video. See you soon in the next video. Allah Hafiz.